out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
Good morning or good whatever time it is whenever you're watching this. Today we are filming a fall clean and decorate with me. Really excited because I haven't done one of these in a long time, but my house needs some love. So we're gonna clean it up, try to do the best we can. We're not gonna be perfectionists, but just do the best we can with the time we have and with how I can get things done with this little guy. And then we're gonna be putting out some fall decorations. So if you want some cleaning inspiration, some fall decorating motivation, then let's get into it. So first we're gonna start off with my entryway. I have like a bunch of clutter on our entry table. This always ends up being the catch-all space for everything when I'm trying to bring stuff upstairs. So I'm gonna be putting that away and getting this tidy up. So when I'm tidying things up that need to go back upstairs, I either use laundry baskets or place the things on the stairs so it's easy to grab a few things at a time and bring them up the stairs like anytime I'm going upstairs. Now it's time to dust, and of course I have to use my Mrs. Meyer's fall scented cleaner. This one is the pumpkin scent and I highly recommend it. They also have a new acorn spice scent this year and it is amazing. Both Brylan and I love this new scent. And I'll have an affiliate link below if you want to go and try Grove as a new customer. You'll get a free 5-piece seasonal cleaning kit, which is worth over $30 if you place an order of $20 or more. So really recommend it. It's an awesome deal. I wanted to rearrange my furniture in the entryway and try something different. I like to do this every once in a while to change things up in my home. And then using my 7th generation sanitizing wipes, I'm using these to clean off some dried food that was on the ottoman. Life with a toddler, enough said. And these actually worked really well for that purpose. I had never used them before like that, but they did work really well for this. Lastly, this space needed a good vacuum. And we used to have a mirror that hung here, but recently it fell off the wall and shattered everywhere. I know, it was so scary, but thankfully no one was near it or hurt in the process. River was already asleep. But anyways, in its place, I'm hanging this old barn picture we already had. So I rearranged this entry, moved the entry table over here, moved this over here. This actually used to be in our living room over there, and that stool used to be in the entryway, but I did that last night, or I just kind of switched them. I wanted to try something different, just so we have like a nice area where we can sit and put on shoes before going outside. And then that's why I put this basket here, so we can put shoes in it. There's just a pair of River sandals and my flip-flops in there right now, but that'll probably fill up quickly. And then I moved this picture over here. I'm still trying to decide if I like it or not. Once I decorate it, I'll see. I was also considering maybe making like a fall sign and putting that here for now, but this might work. I'll see. So I literally haven't looked up like any inspiration or anything for decorating for fall. I'm just gonna kind of do my own thing with the decorations that I have.
Kennedy saxophone, we'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Isn't that cool?
Shut the lights, go infrared.
Okay, here is all the fall stuff laid out on the table. We got signs, pillows over there too, random like little decoration, small signs, floral stuff. These are all my pumpkins over here. Like these are different figurines and other pumpkins and stuff. More florals. Just little signs for outside. And I got some leaves, and then this is the sad remains of my wreath. So I'm gonna have to like put that back together because it's like all messed up, as you can see. Now that I took out all my decor and sorted it, I'm decorating my entryway. This part is just a lot of trial and error and seeing what looks good together, unless I have a specific vision in mind of the look I want to go for. Okay, so entryway is done. Kept it pretty simple. Just a few little touches.
I'll put your favorite music on.
Moving on to our bookshelf, I'm taking any of my regular decor off so I can dust it and then start decorating the top.
It's going infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
And then I just needed to straighten up the books in the bookcase. Alright, so this bookshelf is all cleaned up, tidied, and decorated on top. So it's that time to light my first fall candle of the season. My favorite fall candle is Leaves from Bath & Body Works. Do you have a favorite fall candle or scent? I'd love to chat about it with you in the comments below. Moving on to our side table and this wall decor with the vases, I'm quickly dusting these off so I can add some simple decor, and I'm arranging my fall florals in the vases. Then I was trying to figure out how to rearrange this corner because I didn't like having River's basketball hoop in that spot. It took a few arrangements to get it how I liked it, but in the end I was much happier with how it turned out. And since I was rearranging the furniture, I took this time to vacuum those spots as well. So I decided on moving River's teepee over to this corner, and you'll see where I moved the bench and the basketball hoop right now. Okay, so I did this area right here. Ignore that stuff behind there. Gotta put that away. But over here, I moved River's teepee, which used to be in that corner, over here. So I'm just kind of rearranging stuff, put that stool there, and put the basketball hoop over there, which was on this side. And I kind of just was going through and organizing his toys because he had some stuff that was like broken or junky, and just kind of had to go through and get rid of some stuff. So it feels a lot better in here than it did. Now I'm just going to finish tidying River's toys, and I got rid of some of the balloons that have been left over from his birthday, and I'm vacuuming the carpet. I decided to place some throw pillows on the ground by River's toys because he loves pillows. And then I'm dusting the TV stand and adding some faux leaf garlands.
I have seen this room and walked this floor before.
Moving on to the love seat area, I moved the wreath I put by the bookshelf to hang on this bed frame piece that we have above the love seat. And then I'm just arranging a blanket and some pillows on the love seat to add some of that cozy autumn look. So River just woke up from his nap, so he didn't really see a lot of anything, and now the living room's pretty much done, and he's just looking around at everything. Like the pumpkins up here. Whoa! He's looking at the candles. You guys, he loves candles. He likes smelling them like we do.
Come on.
Smells good. You want to smell it? And you want to smell that one? Come here. Let's go show you the toys.
Look, bud.
What? Put your teepee over there. Look, he goes for the pillows. I told them on there that he loves pillows. Yeah! You got some new pillows to play with.
Look at all your toys over there.
I put pillows over there for you too on the ground, so you like your pillows. You like the leaves? Okay, so for the last part of the living room, I just have to do the couch and clean up all the extra decor and stuff that I have just like laying about out here. And then the living room should be pretty much done. Oh, and finish vacuuming. Once I got the couch tidied up, I did a similar thing with a blanket and some pillows that I arranged on the love seat to add some coziness. And then I'm just picking up the last of the cleaning products and the decor I didn't use so I can finish vacuuming the rest of the living room. Is anyone else's toddler obsessed with the vacuum? He just follows me around whenever I vacuum and tries to take the vacuum from me so he can vacuum. And here is the almost final look of the living room. If you would like to see a fall home tour, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and telling me so in the comments. It feels so good in here now. It's all clean and fall feeling. River's loving it too. Do you like the new fall decorations? Do you like all the fall decorations? So, we just had a lunch break and now we're gonna work on the kitchen. I gotta get some What are you doing? What are you doing? So I gotta do some dishes and get the stove clean and then we can start decorating. Never ending dirty dishes. But dirty dishes mean we have the blessing of cooking and eating good homemade food. So once I got the dishes in the dishwasher, my stove really needed to be cleaned. Trust me, it was bad. So I'm scooping off all the crumbs and then spraying my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner and letting it sit on there for a minute, you know, to get all those dried crusties off the stove while I put away some clean dishes and then coming back to wipe down my stovetop. And I'm using that same cleaner to wipe my kitchen island with as well. And you can't really see it from this angle, but River was helping me clean the island. He loves helping dust and using a cleaning cloth to wipe down surfaces with me. Sometimes he'll do it on his own. If he has like a paper towel or a napkin, he'll just like try to clean like our coffee table or something. It's really cute. Now for my favorite part, adding some fall decor to the counters. In the kitchen, I like to keep it more minimal so my decor doesn't eat up my counter space, which I need for cooking. And now I'm admiring my freshly cleaned and decorated kitchen. This is seriously one of my favorite things when the kitchen is clean like this. Except my kitchen floors are still filthy and I didn't get to clean those until that evening, but hey, we're making progress here. The kitchen is done. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because Puppy Dog Pals is playing on in the background. But now I'm going to work on my hutch. First thing, I'm clearing off the decor on each of the shelves and dusting my hutch and then decorating as I go. So my hutch is my favorite piece of furniture we own. I bought it at a vintage store near us and it's one of my favorite pieces to decorate each season. Do you like vintage furniture or are you more of a modern look gal? So I'm done with my hutch, and this is probably the most simple I've ever done it before. Did it very symmetrical. Normally I'm an asymmetrical type person, but I really like how it looks, and I like the more simple look. So now we're gonna tackle this area over here. This is the opposite side of my dining room, and my table is a fall decor mess right now. This piece we use as a tea cart to put my teacup collection in and store all of our loose leaf teas. So I'm just clearing off the top and dusting it before I decorate it. And before I decorate it, I wanted to clean off our sliding glass door and put these fall window stickers I got for River from the Dollar Tree. And then we wrote on the window with some window markers River got for his birthday, and we had a lot of fun with those. And then I finished this area by decorating the tea cart and rocking chair. All right, so I got this little area set up. Kept it kind of simple again. And then just our rocking chair over here. Just added the leaves and the pillow. And River is loving these window crayons that we got for his birthday. We haven't used them till now, but he's having fun with them. Oh, use it the other way. There you go. You like drawing on the window, huh? But I will warn you, be careful with them because he did come over here and he did mark my cushion. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get that out easily or not, but it does mark pretty fast on other stuff. Now, for the most part with these areas, I'm done. I will be putting some stuff on our porch, the powder bathroom down here, and then maybe a couple things in our loft. And then I might put a couple things in our loft, but I'm not sure yet. But for now, I'm gonna try to clean up this mess and get most of it put back in the bins and then decorate the table, and I'll be done for today. So much stuff to put away, but it actually didn't take as long as I thought, which was nice. And then using my faithful Mrs. Meyer's cleaner again, I'm wiping down the dining table.
I wanna jump around.
And then adding a blue gingham fabric as a sort of runner. And then this basket I filled with all kinds of fall findings for the centerpiece.
My, oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss.
That is it for this fall clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration for cleaning and decorating. I hope you guys got some inspiration for cleaning and decorating your homes for fall. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with someone who you think will enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more videos like this, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Good job. Bye.